Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do some slight modifications. The interior of my new to me 2010 VOLVO S80. I want to take off the shift knob and put a new one on. It's hard to see probably on video, but it's really crusty. I did try to clean it up and it's just really kind of gross. So I picked up a new one, reasonably priced online. And I've noticed the difference from the executive model. It has the plastic fake wood on the sides, and then the reproduction, it's not a reproduction, this is a factory one, it's made in Slovakia, I guess. This one has the silver, which I actually like. That doesn't bother me at all. So we're gonna go ahead here and swap them out. Both have the beige leather, and so it goes to show you the difference here, how much this got dirty from hand oils over the last almost 10 years of time. So what you do here at the bottom, you do a quarter turn. That'd be clockwise, I guess, right? Well, anyway, it's a quarter turn. That bezel drops down, and then there's two black tabs that need pushed out. There's one. It's hard to see here. You get flipped around. Okay, and then it just pulls straight up. Here you can see here's a good shot of the difference in the two. And this is kind of crusty. We'll take that off. I guess we can take the sticker off here. And then you just want to push the black button in. Okay, once you get that seated down on, you just want to make sure the rounded part is towards you if you're sitting in the driver's seat on the left side. And then just do the quarter turn counterclockwise and you're done. And then I'm going to put my foot on the brake and just make sure this seems all right. Everything seems good. I like the silver on the sides, looks pretty cool. I like it. So here's the difference from the crusty one, which is getting kind of gross, but I'll keep it. So if I ever sell the car, I can give it to the new owner. But I did try cleaning it up. You can see the dye's actually worn off the leather pretty good there. So I like having something that'll feel like I have a new car anyway when I put my hand down on there. The other interior upgrade I have here is foot pedals, and we'll do that next. Alright, I'm back with some more interior mods. I want to ditch these gross, ugly pedal pads. Actually, this one, the accelerator pedal doesn't have a pad on it. I thought it did, but so go ahead and remove this. And this is interesting here. Ford Motor Company, it says on the bottom, which is kind of interesting. Prior to the video, I started filming before. I had a tough time getting these spread on, so what I did is I have a bucket of hot water here, these R-style pedal pads. I put in hot water. I got these directly from China for 20 bucks with free shipping, and from what I can tell, they surely look almost exactly like the factory ones, which are $100 and some, I think 120 bucks or something like that. They have these, I think you cut these off then, they have these pull tabs. Get this bucket out of the way. So once you spread them on, you can kind of, I guess you take scissors and cut those off. So we're going to try doing this again here. I did try to do it a while ago and I couldn't get that was that tight, the bottom corners. Yeah, that helped a lot. Put in hot water. There we go. There we go. I don't think this corner's in there though. Got that. These three sides. Just gotta. Now this side, I gotta get in there. But putting in the hot water definitely helped. There we go. And then I guess you just take scissors and cut them tabs off, I would think. Because they don't, you can't really, as Chester barks, can't really tuck them back up in there. I'm definitely not throwing out the other pad because in case these don't work out, I don't want to be stuck without not having this other pad. Don't know how well this is gonna fit either, so not a big deal if it doesn't fit. I've lost $20 before on dumber stuff. The problem is getting my shoulders past the door here to get these popped on. Yeah, it goes on. You just gotta take your time, and it's when they're pretty good too. You just gotta take your time and work it around there. Still got a little wet from the water there. That looks pretty good. The brake pad one, this one here kind of worries me. I don't know how sturdy that's gonna be, but the gas one's definitely on there, and then some. And that was an eBay buy. So I could probably put the link down below if anyone's interested in it. Definitely looks a little better. All right, the last part of the install here for cheap, quick, easy interior mods to spice up the S80 interior. I have this piece here I got directly from China for $4 and some odd change with free shipping. What that does, it covers, it's kind of like you want to just say like a metal, brushed metal look bezel here for the electronic parking brake. It comes with the 3M tape already on the back. So what we're going to do here is just take an alcohol wipe and just clean up the area. This one here came, and it's not chrome. It matches perfectly the silver that's on the center console and the shift knob, so that's a good thing. So I'm just trying to get all the red here pulled off the back of the 3M automotive tape there. Looks pretty nice for, I think it was like $4.56 or something like that. There's plenty of sellers of these on eBay. I could put a link down below though to help others. Now this took the longest out of all the pieces I had ordered. This one took exactly a month, I believe, to show up. Just want to get it lined up. It'd probably help if I didn't have it upside down. Fingerprints are already all over it too. Just want to get it the best you can and then press it on there and burnish it. Looks like I have it centered all right. Yeah, it just dresses it up a little bit. It looks, we'll get a shot here of it from standing off to the side. I hope it stays. It seems like it's gonna. I mean, I'm thinking for less than $5. It's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it probably was gonna be chrome, and maybe I could take some of my silver vinyl tape I had gotten in the mail to do the mirror caps. Maybe I could wrap it with that. But I'll tell you what, I'm really, really happy with the finish. It is ABS plastic, but I I really had to tap on it at first because it appears to be metal, but it's not. So all right, here, let me get a shot of the whole interior here. Now it has been a week or two since I'd filmed the pedal episode, or the part of this video, and I must report that they are holding on fine. The pedal covers, they're on there pretty good. Doesn't seem like they're gonna move. There's the new shift knob. I like the silver, actually a little bit better than the wood grain, but like I said, I could always probably figure out how to pull the wood grain sides off and put it on this new one, or I'll just kind of hang on to it for the next owner. But there's the electronic parking brake bezel. I think it looks pretty decent, as we have more Jake brake noise from the trucks there on the highway, which is fabulous. Yeah, it looks all right. Kind of goes with the steering wheel metal and the metal on the console. So there you go. Hopefully you guys like that for some quick, easy mods. All three items was well under $100 for everything. And like I said, the pedal kit alone from Volvo, I think it's $120, I believe. And this is very, very similar to the R design. Looks exactly like the R design setup. The shift knob, of course, that was factory Volvo, but I got that for $66 with free shipping online, and the bezel was under $5. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. So hopefully you guys like that, and I know it's mostly for you Volvo nerds. Probably no one else on the channel is really gonna appreciate the nerdiness of all this. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.